The new GLC is systematically designed for hybrid drive, and sets standards in efficiency. The engine range has 4-cylinder petrol and diesel units combined with an electric motor. 4 of these are mild hybrid units with an integrated second-generation starter generator, ISG. 3 other engine variants are plug-in hybrid units with a system output of up to 280 kilowatts, 381 HP, and a system torque of up to 750 Nm. All the plug-in hybrids have an electric range of more than 100 kilometers, WLTP, a noticeably more electric driving experience. Thanks to the electric range, day-to-day distances can usually be covered all electrically. The improved hybrid driving program provides electric driving mode for the most suitable sections of the route. Electric driving is prioritized on longer journeys in urban areas, for example. All-rounder both on and off the road, the GLC has significantly improved on and off-road attributes for adverse weather conditions and stretches with unmet OLED roads. These include simplified operation using the off-road screen, clearer information thanks to the transparent bonnet, and outstanding traction and handling safety by virtue of improved control systems. Also, when a plug-in hybrid is driving all electrically. Comfort and agility, key components of the GLC's dynamically designed chassis are a new 4-link front suspension and a multi-link independent rear suspension. The standard suspension already provides a high level of suspension, ride and noise comfort, agile handling and driving enjoyment. It is equipped with an amplitude-dependent damping system. The Airmatic air suspension has variably adjustable damping for compression and rebound. Exterior design, unique proportions with classic SUV features such as a simulated chrome underguard, roof rails and optional running boards are combined with new contoured edges in the sides to create a balance between elegance, sportiness, and off-road performance. Highlights include the new headlamps, which connect directly to the radiator grille and accentuate the vehicle's width. In combination with the optional digital light, they feature daytime driving ellipses in addition to the well-known torch. Another visual highlight is the radiator grille with chrome surround on the standard avant-garde exterior. Interior design, the GLC continues the successful formula of modern, sporty luxury from Mercedes. For example, the dashboard is horizontally divided into 2 sections, and features generous trim surfaces with a central display that appears to float above it. The avant-garde seat design and modern door panels emphasize the high quality of the interior wind resistance. In its aerodynamically most favorable configuration, the minimal drag coefficient of the GLC is CD equals 0.29. This makes it 0.2 better than its predecessor, CD equals 0.31, a notable advance for an SUV with conventional drive.